Man, welcome back to the channel, you guys, man. This is an update on my 2016 Honda Accord Sport. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain real quick on what's in here. So I have the Rockford Fosgate T2 tweeters, power series, if you know what that is. I have the Rockford Fosgate 6.5 speakers. I got two in the door. No, not two. Well, the front's been changed, and so has the rear deck. So I will be installing a Rockford Fosgate T2 13. But that video is going to be up. My appointment is Monday. So I'm dropping my car off next week, Monday, for them to go ahead and install. Well, they got to do a custom box. Pretty much, they're going to be doing a custom box for this car because for that sub, they need to build a box for it. So right now, the car is a little bit dirty. I'm still working on it. You see this part is gone, but see, I got the tweeters right here, okay, and I got everything ran up underneath the carpet. Go ahead and open this door right here. So this stuff right here, I'm just donating it. This is my mask and stuff like that. But let me go ahead and move the seat. So as I told you guys, I'm still. All right, there we go. So, as you can see, I got the Rockford Fosgate 10 farad capacitor in here. People tell me, bro, you need to put a battery. I'm putting a battery in here. But I had that, and I was like, I'm just gonna throw it in here anyway. What's wrong with having more power? You know, more battery juice. You know what I'm saying? So, as you can see, this right here is not flushed all the way. So I have to fix this, okay? There's something in here. I had to do a modification because I installed these right here, tweeters. So I got to do a little bit of modification inside here so this can snap in perfectly. And what else? So I did Dynamat. This car is 100% Dynamat. Sound deadening throughout the whole vehicle. So you hear that? You know what I'm saying? Solid. Okay? Solid. Solid. Like the whole car. Let me show you. Everything is solid. So I'm gonna let you guys. Oh, let me show you the amps. So I got those amps right there. I got these amps right here are 400 watts each, 4-channel. Then I got the LC2 Pro. As you guys can see, everything is neatly in there. So I'm about to go ahead and give you guys a little demo real quick. So I'm just go ahead and give you a little snippet of how the car looks. So let's go ahead and play some tunes. So the demo I'm gonna be using is Free Hard, Free Type Beat by Lester right here. So I'm gonna put the link down below, man. Make sure you guys go check out his beats. They're dope. So shout out to you, Lester. I'm about to go ahead and just use this song to go ahead and give a demo. Guys, that's gonna be it for this video. That was like a quick little in-depth on how the speakers sound. So, you know, if you do want to see the install of the subwoofer, because I will be having Audio Techniques, like they're gonna be making like a separate video. So when I vlog me taking it to the shop to get the custom box built, they're gonna be recording the step-by-step process. So if you want to see the step-by-step process in that, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be doing a giveaway. So if you haven't seen my last video, make sure you go check that out with the unboxing of the subwoofer. So if you want to enter that giveaway, make sure you go check out that video. But that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.